everybody, it's Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some DIY bath bombs. I also want to let you guys know that I have done some slime videos and some squishy videos, and a lot of you guys have been asking me if I'm going to keep doing slime videos, and I will. I just want to spread out my content a little bit more so those who do not like slime can still enjoy my videos. I covered it all, so let's get on into this video.
The first thing I'm going to do here is get a medium-sized bowl and add in half a cup of baking soda. And now what I'm going to do here is add in a fourth a cup of Epsom salt. This really soothes your muscles and is just so relaxing. And now you're supposed to add a fourth cup of cornstarch to really keep the bath bomb shape, along with a fourth cup of citric acid. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix this all together. Make sure you're mixing this very thoroughly. It's a key. Okay, now in a different bowl, what we're going to do is add in 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Any oil will work for this. And then on top of that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of water. And then any type of essential oil you would like. Mine is a peppermint scent, and you're going to add a lot of that in there, as much as you would like. This is honestly just an eyeball situation. And now we're going to add some soap coloring. I am picking this pink color. My key for you guys is to always add more than you think you need, because trust me, I added a lot and I was like, oh shit, this is not going to work. And then it turned out being like a really pink color. So just add more than you think you need. Now you're going to mix in the water mixture slowly into your dry ingredients, and you're just going to keep mixing that together. It will look super duper clumpy, but just keep mixing it and I swear it will go away. Add some more and you should get this bubbly effect. If you're not, then I'm pretty sure you're doing something wrong, because it should be some reaction with some of the chemicals in this. And then just add in the rest of this and mix that together. Now I put aside the whisk and I am using my hands and just kneading all of this together just to make sure it is thoroughly combined. I highly recommend this just to keep all of it together, get it that good shape. It's just when you're making slime, you just want to keep kneading it and it will make it so much better. And I also find that this is so fun to play with. I don't know why. It's almost like you're playing with like kinetic sand or sand, but I'm going to keep going on with this DIY because I want to make some bath bombs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a mold I got off of Amazon, and we're just going to put some of the mixture inside one side of the mold. And you're going to pat it down because you do not want any loose mixture. You want it to be all flattened down and packed together like brown sugar. Now what we're going to do here is take the other side and pack it down, like I said, with the other side. And you're going to want to overflow the side a little bit more just to give it a little bit more size, and I feel like it's always worked out better for me when I overflow it. Now we're going to put them together and push them together really hard, and it may take all your strength, but just keep pushing them together. This will get the circle shape, of course. Now we're going to do the other mold because I'm making 2 bath bombs here, and we're going to do the same thing. I was almost running out of mixture. I was so close to being short on my mixture here. So you guys can always make some mini bath bombs too. You do not have to make the really big kind. Me personally though, I like the big kind, so I'm making some big ones. And we're just gonna fill it up. Then we're gonna put them together like we did with the other bath bomb. And there we go. You're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and then take it out of the mold here. And you're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes because then it will keep its shape very well. Then we're going to take it out again. So now I'm going to show you guys how these work. You can leave it just as is, but I want to show you guys because I think it's super cool. And before you guys try this recipe, I want to show you how amazing they are. Right as you pop them in, you see all these bubbles, and the sound is so satisfying. Like, I cannot tell you guys how cool the sound is. And I just like twirling it in my hand, playing with it a little bit. I feel like I love these because a lot of the bath bombs I've tried when I was testing bath bomb recipes, they didn't really come with the color, but these come with a lot of color, a lot of scents, and they're also super relaxing if you want just a relaxing spa day. Then you can see the bath bomb is starting to break up and just turn into bubbles, and that is completely normal, obviously. But I love this recipe because it makes my hands so smooth. I cannot tell you guys how smooth this made my hands. My hands felt like, I don't know, just so smooth. Now I'm going to show you guys how to decorate and how to use these for decoration or for a party. You're going to want to take this bag. I got this from Michael's. Any bag will work. And I tied it up with a zip tie here. I don't really know what these are called, a twisty, whatever you want to call them. It came with the baggie, and you're just going to want to tie that up. And it is super cute. You can use it as is, but I like putting mine in a wicker basket along with some other bath bombs I made, and it's such a cute decoration. I put this by my bathtub and some candles, and it made a super cute decoration.